Help us, Charlie Barkin. Teach us about your time when dogs roamed free and happy.
Moi? A great leader? Sure, why not?
Excuse me, Charlie Barkin? The entire Bow Wow Underground is assembled to receive your ancient wisdom.
Yeah, must have dozed off. So, what do you want to know?
These relics, they survived from your time. What is this?
Ha! That's a chew toy. You put it in your mouth and you bite down.
Zach, what, this?
Back in my time, using a chew toy was followed immediately by getting a snack for the old teacher.
Oh, sure. Anything, Great One.
And what is this, Charlie Barkin? Some believe it's a kind of hat.
No, it's a flying toy. A human tossed it and a dog ran after it, you know.
Oh, show us, Charlie Barkin.
Me? Get up and run? What was I thinking? You're absolutely right. It is a hat.
Here, sir. Now, teach us more.
Sure. After lunch, we'll learn ancient napping techniques. Little help, please?
Does he seem a little lazy to you?
No. Great wisdom is very tiring.
How will any of this help us defeat the Great Deliverer?
That doesn't matter anymore. You are all about to attend obedience school.
Everyone! Into the tunnels!
Help! Anybody?
Oh, no! Charlie Barkin!
Oh, thanks, pal. You're a chip off the old block.
But I want to I'm so tired. I need to rest. I know.
These lullaby generator rays sure work fast. Oh, stop.
Calling the Great Deliverer. Looks like we've caught them all, sir!
Excellent. Bring them to me, and I will supervise their obedience training personally.